Okay, let's do a little recap of the present perfect. If the action in the sentence is finished, but the time that you mentioned in the sentence isn't finished, then we use the present perfect. So let's take this sentence. Popila sam kavu danas. It looks like it should be in the past simple because popila sam kavu, but it's not. Because danas, today, is in the sentence, that's still going. The time you mentioned is still in progress. So when you see today, this week, this year, ever or never, because that also hasn't finished, that's all the way up until now, then we use the present perfect. You can't use the past simple because the time is still going. We use the past simple when everything is finished, the action and the time. So this sentence, popila sam kavu danas, should be in the present perfect because today is still going. I have drunk a coffee today. And that's why this sentence cannot be. Have you been, present perfect, cannot go together with yesterday. Some more examples. Jesi li ikad vidjela izvanzemaljca? You see that in this sentence there's ever, so we have to use the present perfect. It's not did you ever see, but have you ever seen an alien? Jesi bila u Zagrebu ove godine? Bila sam, radnja je gotova, ali this year još uvijek traje. Again, present perfect. Have you been to Zagreb this year?